the best way of softening the water for your house.
So we are getting a new water system installed into Shah's house. Craig and Wayne have come down to install it, but I'm going to let Craig explain what the system does, what the company are, and there's basically a big tank which we'll see in a minute. That is inside at the moment, but Craig is going to explain what the system does and why we're putting it in. Big silver tank, that goes to the mains water.
Yeah, so on the mains water, on your incoming mains, as it comes into the house,
Yep.
that's where we filter the water for the whole house. So that will go to your boilers,
Yep.
all the hot water
Shower.
we've done, your showers, your baths, all
Yep.
your sinks. So that consists of a pre-filter, which can be, we use a carbon block,
Okay.
or a sediment block. We use sediment, so we use a sediment block. Then that goes into a vorticating device, like a vortex,
Okay, yeah.
which adds 100,000 revolutions to the water every minute,
Wow.
which helps activate the malic acid we use in our softener. So we don't use salt in our softener.
Yeah, yours
we're trying to
softener.
eradicate salt from use altogether. We have no waste, no electric, so it just comes in. It's all natural process. So it comes into a filter first, which is a 0.002 nano filter, and it's like a membrane, so you don't get any blockage or anything like that with our filters. The flow rates always stay the same.
Yeah, 3 bars going in,
Yeah,
3
so
bars coming out.
It doesn't change whatsoever. And then after that it goes into the malic acid, which the malic acid is a softener, so like it's all natural process. It is the best way of softening the water for your house. Then that'll go then and split off all the water all over your house. And then when it comes to under your sink, so we have to re-enhance it, so we give hydrogen rich alkaline water, so it's full of all the goodness we put back in, all the minerals that we re-add back into the water, the ones that your body needs, and that goes to either a single-use drinking tap or
Can be part of your normal tap.
So like the under sink system's a great thing. So even if you don't have a whole house, the under sink alone does the same as a whole house, but just for your tap.
Drinking water.
Yeah, you don't, not just your drinking water. It'll do your hot water boiler. It will do your cold water. Will be softened.
Yeah.
But your drinking water will be re-enhanced.
Yeah.
So that's where you get your minerals.
And that's where you're putting
rich.
the minerals back in your body. There's anti-inflammatory in the water.
So it's not major, like it's
all natural.
but it's natural. So like that is the malic acid. So that's
what's giving that.
So
back
that
into
gives
it.
you So I suffer from big knees and big elbows when I do sport, and it really helps me.
And that's where it's sort of come from, innit? Enhanced sports.
Yeah.
And now we're bringing it into the
That's
home.
where we started. Elite sports was where we've gone consistently we do a lot of football teams and rugby teams, and now we're going for houses, so every person can
enjoy the same water from domestic properties. So if you are looking to learn more about it, check out Pure Ionic Water, and if you are looking to install one, give them a call as well. But now we're going to get ours installed. So you can change it.
Literally, that's 4,000. Yeah, hands is 4,400 litres, but
Gotcha. Yeah, nice.
So we'll put 2 valves on either side, so you can take
Take it out, push it in.
just speed it. Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
We're not gonna go to the hot water.
You know now?
Boiler, no.
No.
it's already filtered from the house anyway. So
Okay.
And obviously
Yeah.
the water can go to 200 degrees.
Yeah.
So it's the cold water that goes to there is already filtered.
Yeah. Okay.
So we'll just put the enhancer and the filter to the cold water.
Right.
You happy,
yeah,
Craig?
that's fine. Have you ever come unstuck on the top of the big blue filter?
Yeah.
There's it says in and out. So if you
Yeah.
have to change one or you do one,
Right.
it's always in from the right, out
This
from
is
the
my
left.
last job.
Before retirement.
Oh, retired.
Okay, so what we've done here is we've put everything in dry. We've pre-marked it for obviously the crimps. I'm just going to show you the actual running of how the system goes. So here we've got the mains coming in. This is for the outside tap, which will be connected at a later date. So follow it through, we open up that, come through here, come around here. This is a sediment filter which protects our vorticator. Our technology on the vorticator needs protecting because it does 100,000 revolutions per minute and puts oxygen back into the water. It stops molecules from combining inside the actual 20-inch vessel. So once it comes through there, we put flexes on because it's such a tight space that with the vessel being 20 inches, the filter's 20 inches. So we need space to pull it out and be able to drop the filter in. So we go through there. On the other side, we've got another flex, which comes around with a valve on. And then we've got a little bit of pipe there of a 90, which will go onto here and take it back through to the house. On the vessel, we've got a vent at the top. So when we are filling, we open it up, let all the air out. Obviously the water will come up a lot quicker. And when we do filter changes, we've got a drain at the bottom, so we can drain it out as well. So all we need to do is we'll have 15 minutes where we shut the water off in the property, pull the vessel out, drain it, replace the filter, vent it, go again.
So this is what we call a duo. So this is for small houses up to say 4 bedroom, 4 people living there. This is the filter. So this is the 0.002 membrane, so nano filtration. And this section here is your softening part. So this is the water softener, our descale, and this is our absorb. So it fits on, as you put it into the container, it fits in that way. And you just put the lid on. That's all it is, and you change that once a year.
So as Craig just explained, put the pod in, and then our lid goes back on top, and we have got a clamp where we clamp it down. And clamp. As you can see with the whole of the system, we don't need power, and unlike a salt softener or any other filtration for whole houses, there's no discharge of waste. So as you can see, we've already pre-marked them in. Hold on.
And that's it.
That's it. Yeah, that's it. So what we do now is we'll open the mains, let the vessels fill up with water. We'll open the vent on the 20-inch vessel, let the air in so the water rises. We've locked it off so once it's got to our vessel, it's not going to the house. Wait for the plumber to say that it's okay to go ahead, and then we'll start filling the house and checking everywhere in the house. What we'll do, we'll go to the furthest away point, which will be the bathroom, and we'll let the water run for about 15-20 minutes, just so it's pulled through all the pipe work, and then should be done. Okay, so this is the Pure Ionic 3-in-1 pod. This goes directly to your kitchen tap. So if you didn't have a full house system, you could have this underneath your kitchen sink. So it'll go to hot water tank, so you could have boiling water, and it'll go straight to your cold. So it's giving you the same filtration through here as it would the whole house system. And this is our enhancer. So everything that we strip out through the Pure Ionic Q gets re-enhanced here, which is perfect for your drinking, giving you hydrogenated alkaline water. Benefits from drinking our water is bone development, beneficial for your heart, your muscles, your brain, acid reflux, detox, weight loss, children's growth, mental focus, rehabilitation, stamina, and a great cup of tea. The system also protects against particle contaminations found in water, such as microplastics, viruses, bacteria, heavy metals, hormones, especially oestrogens, chemical contaminants, pesticides, and nitrates.
So you can have a shower and drink the water as well at the same time.
Yeah. So the downside to having this tap with that filter is that comes out slower.
Just for the cold, yeah.
For the cold.
going through a lot.
It's going
Yeah.
through all there, and it's coming down to 8 mil from your 22 to 15 to 8.
Yeah, that's cool because you put it on too fast anyway. The kids put the water going everywhere when they're making the cold juice.
Right, the boys are done from Ionic Water, Pure Ionic Water. So we've got it under the tap. We've got the full system underneath the cupboard now. You've got a 3.5 hour?
Yeah, just a little drive home.
Little drive home. But they're also going to see Terry the paver, because when he was here last time he was speaking about having a system in his house. So the boys are going to speak to him probably today, tomorrow, get him a price, go and see his as well. So you might see the boys again, but on another job, and you may see us together in the future. But yeah, appreciate you boys. Safe journey home.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Cheers, thank you.
See you soon.
Brad, you can carry on jigsaw.